As most of you probably know, AGFA is a company that has a long history, and having a long history is not bad if you just renew yourself every time there's a need or a change in the market. Arnaud, you are one of the people that are responsible for the digital transformation of AGFA,
Indeed.
right? Yeah. Out of Belgium?
Out of France, actually. I'm living in the French Alps, and I joined AGFA about a year ago. Joined the journey, and it's very exciting.
And how, I mean, when you come into a company like AGFA, I mean, do you remember your first day there?
I remember my first day, yeah. What I remember is actually the pride in the technology and how strong the technology, the engineering is within AGFA DNA. That's what really struck me during the first day at AGFA.
And when you come into a company and you feel this energy, I mean, there are so many people and so many terms and so many products you need to learn about, right?
That's right, that's right. But you know, the exciting thing about all this is not so much the details, but where we're going. We have a strategy which is towards growth in packaging. We've seen that today with you guys, and we're very glad that you are with us today for this milestone in our growth trajectory. And this is what we try to accomplish. We're trying to really make a difference in the marketplace and satisfy our customers.
Just a question of curiosity. I mean, being a relatively new still with AGFA, have you had time to go out and visit customers to see? Because I mean, when you implement a strategy, I guess that is when you have growth or you want to have growth, you need to understand the market, right?
I think customers are the most important part of the strategy. Without customers, we can't do anything. So yes, indeed, I try to spend time on a regular basis with customers, visiting their site, understanding their needs, their unmet needs, and make sure that what we do is in tune with what the market wants.
So you came on board after you sold to Eco3, right? Or was it just when you started?
Pretty much at that time, a little bit before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, that was like, if you look, as I said, the history of AGFA from chemical to, let's say, photography to print to, I mean, to all the things, I think also pharmaceutical, right? I mean, if you look at the entire history of AGFA now, at least in the graphics department, it seems that you're very, very focused on digital, right?
We are very focused indeed. AGFA is going through a transformation, and digital printing, inkjet, is one of the growth areas for AGFA. So investing resources, time and effort on digital printing, and this is just great to see and great to be part of the adventure.
What do you think of competition?
Competition, you know, everyone is great. Everyone has his strength, its weaknesses. AGFA also. We're of course trying to do our best to gain market share and to make a difference in the market, but I very much respect competition. We have great competitors. They are challenging us. They are making us think a little bit in a different way sometimes, and that's the way it should be.
I'm asking because I'm just curious, because as I said to Matt when I spoke to him before, and also to Mike actually, it's like AGFA, let's say in the new AGFA, if I can call it that, with the digital thing, you acquired INKISH, which is like renowned as one of the best suppliers in digital, I guess, that everybody can recognize. You go away from, let's say, offset and analog. You invest in new technology all the time, and now we are not just seeing a new type of, not just a new SpeedSet machine here, but this is also entry into the packaging area. I mean, the journey must be, I mean, do you ever sleep?
Hopefully I sleep. Hopefully I sleep, yes indeed. We're trying to keep our energy, but also to rest and to make sure that we're doing that in the right way. But yes, there is a lot going on, packaging is for us, I would not say a new segment, because we are in there in a way or another, but we want to go into that segment with full force, and today is a milestone in doing that. Packaging is one area that is very important to us, but the sign and display market, which is today our main market, is indeed also important, and we want to stay there. We have many things to do still in the sign and display industry, and we'll continue to be in that industry. But packaging is coming on top, and we also, as you know, have some more, I would say, industrial application. We're printing on leather, we're supporting the flooring and decor customers with our inks and technology. So those three areas are really the core of our strategy, and we're trying to develop and deploy our innovation on those three areas.
When you came to Cambridge and started here this morning, We met each other at breakfast, right?
That's right.
But when you came here, did you have a good chance to talk to some customers and prospects here?
Yes, I think this kind of event is a wonderful opportunity to talk to customers, to have many of them with us. We had a fun time, but we also take this opportunity to get inside, to get inputs, not only talk about what's right and what's going well, but also what is not going so well. So those opportunities, again, are very important for us. We want to put the customers at the center of our processes, innovation processes, and those interactions are a critical part of this.
When you're back home and going to the office, so how does a typical day for Arnaud look like?
But you know, it starts with a coffee, first of all. I'm a coffee drinker, and I enjoy that in the morning. And it always starts with a good chat with a colleague, understanding what's on my colleague, my team's mind, what is keeping them awake, so that we can discuss that, enjoy a good conversation, and then start the day trying to solve a few issues and move forward.
Has it been more intense up to the event here?
It has been very intense before the event. The team here in Cambridge has been fully focused on making this event a great one. I think it was today, and it will be tomorrow as well. So I'd like to thank them through this video as well, because their effort was very much appreciated.
And let's say this is maybe just the first step in a new chapter of AGFA, right?
I really think so. We acquired INKISH indeed back in 2022. That has opened up opportunities for us to go into packaging with single-pass technology. We are entering into that market. This is an important milestone. There is many more to come, and I'm sure we'll have the opportunity to discuss those as well.
I hope so. Arnaud, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.